Most affordable sports car you can buy in 2021. Performance, luxury, looks and curves. What else do you need in a car? If you got that need for speed, this is about love of all things for wheels and speed. In this video, we gonna head on in a whole new direction for our fellow petrol heads, and we brought you most affordable sports car you can buy in 2021. Here are some of the best sports car, fabulously stylish and drive like a bliss through heaven. Prices may vary for different region. Number 1. Toyota Supra. Who can say no to a good old Indian Supra? But how about 2021 Supra? This Japanese beats rule the streets worldwide since 19th. The new Toyota Supra shares a similar build to a BMW C4, yet unique in its own way. Offers two separate turbocharged powertrains, inline 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder, both 8-speed automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive, and gives the satisfaction of the speed and balanced drive even through its automatic transmission is so smooth and rapid with its paddle shifters. The estimated price range from $45,000 to $60,000. Number 2. Mazda Miata MX-5. This sleeping beauty has a 4-cylinder engine that delivers enough power and balanced drive to keep to the 30 years of its heritage. And it comes with a convertible as well, even though it has a limited boot space and a bit of a tight cockpit. Since this isn't built for road trips, maybe that's why it's cheap. Price for $27,000 and $40,000. Number 3. Chevy Corvette C8. Chevrolet evolved its beauty into a beast. Almost identical to a supercar, Corvette C8 looked insane, and engine is built into the rear to deliver a smooth and fast ride for 0 to 100 kmph in 2.8 seconds, topping to 312 kmph with its 6.2-liter V8 490 horsepower engine. Corvette is beyond its league from their competitors. Now, this is a deal breaker starting from $60,000 to $75,000. Number 4. BMW Z4. BMW Z4 came so far as for its fun in the sun convertibility since 2002. The 2021 latest version is even more authentic, giving the driver a smooth and pleasurable ride with the power of turbocharged 4-cylinder or a twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder. Rear-wheel drive with all BMW premium comfortability and connectivity features. Toyota and BMW collaborated when making the Toyota Supra and the BMW C4, sharing the same powertrain and suspension for the both cars, giving the admirers a hell of a ride. BMW C4 is priced from $50,000 to $65,000. Number 5. Chevy Camaro ZL1. Now, this is a ferocious beast with a supercharged V8, 650 horsepower, making it the king of muscle car just because of the great performance value. Delivering a ride of a lifetime, Camaro gives the best feel to a muscle car experience, and in both coupe and convertible. The power and muscle for great value starting at $65,000. Number 6. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Mustang Shelby GT500 is a phenomenal car that delivers a massive power to steering wheel with the 760 horsepower supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, which roars like nothing before, and the automatic transmission is in sync with your mind, shifting perfectly. Despite its low fuel efficiency and the cost price around $75,000. This beast can crush the track magnificently. Number 7. Porsche 911 Turbo. Twin turbocharged 3.7-liter flat 6 rear engine. No words for this one, mate. Porsche 911 Turbo was a killer since its first edition. So many years, so much power and performance for all to handle. This is a living story on 4 wheels, and it comes 4 versions. 911 Turbo, Turbo Convertible, Turbo S and Turbo S Cabriolet. It takes a lot to be a part of the legacy. You You can't compare this to any other given history. It's come so far. It's more than a vehicle. So that's why it's obviously started $170,000 and goes up to $220,000. Number 8. Mercedes-AMG GT. This is a high-performance sports car that makes you drool when you see it in the corner of your eyes. It's a beauty and beastly one. The low, wide, curvy body is packed with a hand-built twin-turbo V8. Comes with several versions ranging horsepower from 500 to 700 and with different premium features for AMG. And it costs from $120,000 to $330,000. Number 9. Ferrari F8. The Italian exotic body is like every other Ferrari, giving its unique authenticity and packed with performance like one. Rear-mounted 710 horsepower twin-turbo V8 opted with 7-speed automatic transmission. V8 is packed with the exotic feeling of a Ferrari reviving through fast-paced melting brain just by look of it. Nothing can come close to this. It's one of a kind and comes with two versions. F8 Turbo costing around $280,000 and F8 Spider for some fun in the sun, just around $300,000 for a Ferrari. Number 10. McLaren 765LT. McLaren 765LT is a nuclear reactor on 4 wheels. It's focused mostly on track, and as exotic as it gets, McLaren did a great job cutting down for most essential features for controls and packing this beast a 754 horsepower twin-turbo V8 with the ground-shaking power and sound. McLaren made this for nothing but speed and control, perfectly balanced for every corner you turn. And this isn't for softies. This is a track murdering beast, so comes to a pricing around $374,000. Well, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next episode with awesome news. Have a great one. Bye.